Have you ever wanted to learn curved piecing and master that? I can help you. I love creating curves in my quilts, and my lava lamps quilt is fun and groovy. In my class, we'll talk about your fabric selection and give you options. We will also discuss all the supplies that you will need to create the lava lamps quilt. I go over in detail each item you need. You will get PDF downloads with your pattern and 11 great video lessons with lifetime access. I will teach you different methods to create these blocks for the lava lamps quilt. We will talk about design work so you can make that quilt your own. I will also give you lots and lots of tips and techniques so that you can add them to your own quilty toolbox for future quilts. We will also go over options on how to finish your quilt and options if you choose not to make a full-size quilt. Grab those rotary cutters, let's cut up some fabric, and let's have some fun and get groovy making my lava lamps quilt.